Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you are newish here, welcome. On this channel, we share one little spark of life in each and every video. Mainly, we hang out together, we unbox subscription boxes, we talk about our shared love for Disney things, as well as just doing random things together. It is an ever-evolving thing, but mainly, I enjoy popping on here and hanging out with y'all. So before we do get into today's video, I need a little bit of advice. So last Tuesday, which was election day in the States, if you're not from the States or you've been living under a rock, to keep myself from staying glued to the news, going crazy, I decided to rearrange my apartment. It looks great, but I sort of don't really have a place to film anymore. I just kind of popped over in front of my bookcases. I do, though, really do like how it's looking on camera. I wasn't expecting to stay here, but I'm liking this backdrop. Like, it's not a blank wall, which is really nice. I have Elton John looking over my shoulder like he is like now the fairy godfather of me filming now. But I am having some issues with lighting right now. I just have one ring light that is like right here, and so I kind of need your suggestions to get better lighting. Should I just get another ring light and put it on the side? Should I get like some box lights? If you were a content creator on this platform or over on like Instagram, wherever, and you have suggestions of lighting, please leave that in the comments down below. I would greatly appreciate any and all suggestions. All right, so let's jump into our actual video today. Today we are going to be unboxing a subscription box, one that it seems like we just unboxed together, even though like a month has passed. So we are going to be unboxing the TheraBox subscription box for the month of October. TheraBox is a monthly wellness and self-care subscription box. It is delivered to your doorstep towards the end of each month. It's sort of like a, yay, you survived the month treat to yourself. TheraBox does cost $34.99 plus a little shipping and handling, and each box does include full-size items for self-care, wellness, etc., plus a happiness boosting activity. I've loved each and every TheraBox that I have received so far. If by the end of this video you were like, yeah, TheraBox, definitely, I have in the description box down below a link that you can check out, find out more information about it, and subscribe if you would like. But if at the end of the video you're like, I'm still not sure, don't worry, I got you covered. I will have in the description box down below also every single TheraBox unboxing that I have done with my honest opinions on this channel, so you can binge watch right through them. All right, so let's jump right in, opening up this TheraBox. This is what the TheraBox box looks like every single month. It does come in an outer packaging, so if you are one of those people who does like to keep their boxes for storage, you can definitely do that. When you shake it, like this time, as I was hauling this away from my mailbox, I could hear something liquid. I'm hoping that nothing is spilled. Let us unbox happiness. Beautiful picture. Love the phases of the moon. So in each booklet, you do have information about the box, ways to share your items on social media and get some bonus gifts in your next box, as well as information about the products inside. So I will put this to the side as not to spoil anything. Well, this is new. Usually there is not something right on top. Usually you just see the cardboard fuzzles here, or foozles, whatever you would call them, the little packing areas. So let's see. This is some incense. This is Australian sandalwood natural incense. I do love the scent of sandalwood. I love the packaging that this came in. Let's open them up and see what they look like. So I do use incense every day in my meditation, so this will go right into that rotation. This is the packaging, nice cardboard packaging, beautiful gold moons and stars. You open it up. Here we are. So they are just some stick incense. Like this. They smell really good. So to give you a little information from the booklet about this product, this is an incense set from the Happy Shop, which the Happy Shop is owned by TheraBox. So you can actually purchase items from the Happy Shop without purchasing like proper subscriptions. So you can definitely check that out with the link below. So this says, breathe new self-care rituals within your home. The TheraBox custom designed Australian sandalwood natural incense is a set of calming and relaxing incense, with a simple wooden pine holder that can make your daytime and nighttime rituals feel like a dream. So let me dig in the box and see if I can pull out that holder. There's the holder in here. The holder was in here. Oh, it's so tiny. How cute is this? All right. See, so this is what it would look like. Beautiful, perfect. Okay. So the next thing we're pulling out is a tube. So this is a skincare item from VO. This is a rose gold Hydro Glow cream and dewy. So this is made with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, probably mispronouncing that, pearl powder, gold extract, and rose extract. Oh, I see in the book. It's not from VO. It is from Vitamasks. Okay, so I have received Vitamasks from TheraBox and other subscription box, like actual sheet masks from Vitamasks, and have loved them. So now I am really excited to try this. So this is a moisturizer, primer, and luminizer all in one. Let's see what it looks like on my hand. My extremely dry hand from all of the Germex and washing I have been doing at work. This is nice. It does not seem to have a silicone feeling to it, which is good. I'm not a big fan of silicone primers, but this is nice and smoothing. It did moisturize this area of my hand and really smooth it out. So it's not really shiny or luminous from what I can see. Maybe under makeup it will be. So this feels nice. I think that this would be a good primer, moisturizer, etc. to put even if you are not wearing makeup, because I do consider primer part of my skincare routine. I wear it whether or not I'm wearing makeup. So I do like to put like a luminizer, like a luminizing primer on those no makeup days. Another skincare product. So this box seems to be skincare heavy, which is pretty cool. So this, it looks like you could have received this one or another one. This is from Joss and Lynn. This is a deep cleansing peel off mask. So this is a glitter peel off mask. So you could have received that, or you could have received the holographic peel off mask from this brand. So this mask has a powerful blend of charcoal and herbal ingredients with fun glitter twist. This helps to detoxify and remove skin impurities while helping to restore skin's complexion. I am interested to see how this works. I am not the biggest fan of glitter in my skincare products, if I'm going to be honest. I may include this in a giveaway, or I may be trying it out over on Instagram in my stories. Not exactly sure. Let us know in the comments down below how you feel about glitter in your skincare products. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is from Enamena. This is a Stardust Skies Whipped Body Butter. And the fall box that we received last month, we got a pumpkin spiced whip soap, which I have really been loving. Let's open this up and see what this smells like, what it looks like. Ooh. That is nice and sparkly. How cute is this? These, from what I'm finding, because the pumpkin spice whip soap from this brand was so cute. This is so cute. I think that these would make really great gifts. And this just sort of has a berry scent to it. Oh, it's so pretty though. I don't really want to mess it up to see what it feels like, so I'm not going to. I'm going to wait so I can take photos for Instagram. But yeah, we have a product from Minimo. I've received an eye cream from this brand before, and this is a charcoal face scrub. So this is with activated bamboo charcoal, and it's unscented. Let's see what the packaging looks like the actual container looks like. And this is actually the same type of packaging that their eye cream came in. Extremely minimalistic. This reads that the Flawless Charcoal Face Scrub is a rich exfoliating blend of activated charcoal and nourishing botanical extracts that help deeply cleanse and maintain healthy, clear skin. So this is specially formulated for breakout-prone skin, which is actually great. During last week, I had some weird things going on with my skin. Really, I don't know if it was some sort of allergic reaction that happened or just a lot of breakouts. Breakouts all over both of my cheeks, and it's very, very strange to me. I usually don't break out there, but I'm definitely going to throw this charcoal face scrub into my routine, see if that helps. We have a firming toner from Ebule. Going from one minimalistic packaging to the other, there is not much information on here, so let me see what it says in the book. Pores, everyone has them, and while skin experts ultimately agree that there's really no way of shrinking them for good, we all know that the best toners can help prime your skin with a much needed dose of hydration while clearing the day's debris away. Evole's firming toner is a result of a marriage made in tonic that tightens and tones while gently removing dead skin cells and clearing the pores of dirt and grime. Made in small batches using a highly selective, thoughtfully curated roster of roster of ingredients. This gentle formulation is great for all skin types and safe for daily use. This will be interesting, and I love, thank you TheraBox for writing in that there is no way to actually shrink your pores. Really annoys me when skincare products claim that it shrinks your pores, or like beauty gurus here on YouTube claim that something shrinks your pores. You can never purely, properly, for real, forever shrink your pores. You can just minimize them and blur them. So the last self-care item is from Chloe Emerald, and this is a rose quartz gua sha stone. Oh, this is much bigger. So I already have a gua sha stone, a rose quartz one. This is much bigger than the one that I have. Love about this stone. This pretty much does the same thing that like jade rollers or face rollers, skin rollers do. They are nice and cooling. They also do a really great job of firming and puffing the face. Absolutely love using these. I know that some people will say that like they're not necessary, but to me, it's just like an extra step in my nighttime routine that really just calms me and relaxes me. For me personally, using a gua sha stone or using a face roller is like a me time where like I just sit and sort of relax and like de-stress from the day. So perhaps it could be for you as well. But I do also notice that my face looks much better, like my skin just looks better and much less puffy when I do use these stones. And our last item in this TheraBox is our happiness boosting activity. And this is, it looks like a journal. It says believe on it, and in very tiny print, manifest your dreams. I am a big believer in manifesting your dreams. For these last few months, I've actually fallen off of the manifestation train. So this, I see this sort of as like a tap on the shoulder from the universe to be like, start manifesting again. So this booklet has information about manifestations, has some mantras explaining what the law of attraction is, how to use the law of attraction. I do believe this, that energy flows where the attention goes. Manifestation guides, and a place for you to manifest various things. I am going to start using this book today, actually. So let's pull out our booklet and look to see what the retail value of each and every product is. TheraBox promises that each box has at least $120 worth of retail value. And in fact, this month's box has a $170+ promise. Your manifesting challenge, happiness boosting activity from the Happy Shop, has a retail value of $15. The Chloe Emerald Rose Quartz Gua Sha Stone has a retail value of $20. Oh, this is so shiny. It's so hard for my camera to focus even. The Stardust Skies Whipped Body Butter from Anamena Skincare has a retail value of $24.99. The Joss & Lynn Glitter Peel Off Mask has a retail value of $10. The Flawless Charcoal Face Scrub from Minimo has a retail value of $15.95. The Happy Shop Australian Sandalwood Natural Incense plus Wood and Pine Holder Set has a retail value of $15. The Vitamask's Rose Gold Hydro Glow Cream has a retail value of £25.99, which comes up to, give or take, $33. And last but not least, the Firming Toner from Evule has a retail value of $38. I do not have my phone with me. I am not that great at adding things up in my head, so I will be putting on the screen right now what the retail value of this month's box was. So those were all the items in this month's TheraBox subscription box. So the two items, that's four. The two items that I think I am most excited for are the Manifesting a Challenge Journal and the Firming Toner from Evule. I'm really excited to see what that does to my pores and to my face in general. So let us know in the comments down below what your favorite product was. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me today. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up down below. If you didn't like this video, give it a big thumbs down below. Both of those actions are very small, but it does help YouTube to be able to figure out in their algorithm who might like this video so it can be suggested to them. And while you're down there, right below the video, you see that red subscribe button? Yeah, you should definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!